Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDPLO content channel. Today we are just going to talking about one of the biggest coloring book niche ideas for you. So please watching my video very carefully. And this niche is very profitable and low competition with a high profitable niche. So no more talk. So we go to Amazon Marketplace and search our today's hot selling coloring book niche for adult. Now SEASON seasons of flowers adult coloring book. Seasons of flower adult coloring book. Here we can see that there is a 634 such results. So obviously we can say there is a micro niche and with a high profitable with low competition niche. So there is a book cover and this is released 2023 February 10. So here is already 6 review with a 5 star. So obviously this is a good profitable niche, and here is rank is and BSR rank is 4351. This is very much good position. Have sit down this cover. So if you make good quality cover similar like this and good quality manuscript, then you can earn more revenue from this book. Also we can check out trademark and copyright. No trace records are found. So there is a fully safe niche. You can work with this book today. So if you need this type of book cover services, book cover design services, or interior related services, or premium unique niche related services, please contact with me. Then I service for you with a low price with high quality design services. So thank you so much. Thank you all.